Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotics at home. We'll focus on lactofermentation, a fantastic way to create nutrient-rich, gut-friendly foods right in your own kitchen. This process involves using beneficial bacteria to transform vegetables into delicious, probiotic-packed treats. It's a simple, natural method that has been used for centuries to preserve food and enhance its nutritional value. Get ready to boost your gut health with homemade goodness. To begin your probiotic journey, gather your ingredients and tools. Select about 2 pounds of fresh, organic vegetables, such as cabbage for sauerkraut or carrots for fermented sticks. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of non-chlorinated water and 1 tablespoon of non-iodized sea salt. For equipment, a 1-quart glass jar, a fermentation weight, and an airlock lid will ensure a successful and safe fermentation process. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. First, prepare your vegetables by shredding or slicing them. Next, massage the vegetables with 1 tablespoon of sea salt until they release enough liquid to create their own brine. Pack the salted vegetables tightly into your 1-quart glass jar, ensuring they are fully submerged under the brine. Use a fermentation weight to keep them down. Seal with an airlock lid and let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 14 days. After 5 days, begin tasting your fermented vegetables daily until they reach your preferred level of tanginess and texture. Once perfected, remove the airlock and transfer the sealed jar to your refrigerator. The cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process. You can enjoy your delicious homemade probiotics as a vibrant side dish, a flavorful condiment, or even a healthy snack. Stored correctly, they will maintain their quality for several months, providing a continuous supply of gut-friendly goodness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.